how to add another account on Snapchat the updated way. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you how you can log two accounts on your Snapchat. So let's get into it. Now, you're not going to use any of those fake applications or any of those things that are scammy or download anything. You're just going to go on and open your Snapchat, and once you open Snapchat, you're going to click on the top left over here onto your profile. You're going to scroll down and you can see over here you have your basic account. Then you're going to click on settings, and then you're just going to scroll down, and just like that, once you scroll down, you have log out. So you can just click on login information, and you're just going to save your login information. So you're going to save your login information and log out of this account, and then you can see you have your other account over here. So you can also click on use another account on the bottom right over here, just like that, and then you can log on to that other account as well. So you can simply log into multiple different accounts and have the login information saved, and then I can just click on this and that would log into my other account, and this would log into this account. So you don't have to use any fancy applications, you don't have to download anything, just use Snapchat, go into your profile, go into your settings, and then scroll down and log out, and make sure that you are actually saving your login information for a more smoother experience. So that was it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you in the next video.